Hi, and welcome to this video on how to write good prompts in Google AI Studio. So, Google AI Studio is a powerful tool that lets you interact with Gemini using prompts, whether you're writing, planning, coding, or brainstorming. But here's the secret: the quality of your result depends on the quality of your prompt. In this video, we'll teach you how to write better prompts, the kind that gives you a faster, more accurate, and more useful responses inside Google AI Studio. Alright, so let's start with a simple idea. Your output in Google AI Studio is only as good as your input. If you type something like tell me about marketing, so Gemini will try, but it might give you a very bored or generic answer. Let's look at this in Google AI Studio. So when I just write a simple prompt, tell me about marketing, so Google AI Studios just gives me a generic answer. It tells me about what marketing is, what are the core goals of marketing, what are the four pieces of marketing, and the rest of the generic definition of marketing. So this is not what I wanted. I wanted something that was relatable to me. So let's discuss that example. Now to compare this basic prompt to a more engineered prompt. So I'll write another prompt in which I will tell Google AI Studio to give me 3 marketing tips for online course creator. This prompt will specify an audience and the quantity. So it will give me only 3 marketing tips, which will be more suitable for my prompt or for my audience. So let's see how this prompt performs in Google AI Studio. So as you can see, when I ran this prompt, it has given me a answer that is much more catered to my audience, giving me only 3 tips for my online course creation or marketing my online course creation. So here you can see it. So writing your prompt becomes more important when using Google Gemini, because as you can see, it took 34 seconds for Gemini to write this answer for me, and the previous answer also, it took it around 33 seconds to write the answer. So if for an average 33 seconds Gemini is working on a single prompt, so you have to give it a more detailed and accurate prompt so that it gives you a more accurate answer by consuming that time. So the more detailed and the more engineered the prompt is, the more better answer you will get. So at last, I like to say that prompt clarity matters. It is important in Google AI Studio. The better your instructions are, the more valuable your result will be. Now we will look at 5 tips to write better prompts. Now let's go over 5 simple tips that you can use to make your prompts instantly more better in Google AI Studio. The first tip is be specific. Don't be vague. Instead of saying help me with the content, you can write something like give me 5 blog ideas for a fashion startup in India. Be clear about the topic, audience, and the format. The next step is to assign a role or style. Ask Gemini to respond like someone. For example, you can say it to respond like a lawyer and explain the legal cause. This changes the tone and makes the response much more focused. And the third tip is to specify the format. If you want a table, list, paragraph, or even a code, just say so. Try summarize it in 3 bullet points or present the result in a table format, so the output that you will get will be in your desired format. The fourth tip is to combine steps. Google AI Studio can handle multiple tasks into a single prompt. So for example, you can suggest 3 product ideas and then write 1-line caption for each. So instead of first writing that give me a product, then give me another product idea, you can combine all these tasks and get them in a single go. The last tip is to follow up. Treat prompts like a conversation. You can type follow-up instructions like make it more shorter or make it more user-friendly or add some real-world example. So these 5 habits will drastically improve your Google AI Studio responses. Now let's see these tips in action in Google AI Studio. Alright, so now we will see all the 5 tips in the earlier slide in action using real life example. Each of the prompts will show you how to be specific, how to assign a role, and how to ask for a format. So let's walk through our 4 example. The first example is sales communication. So here we have a prompt in which we are asking Google AI Studio to write a concise follow-up email to a client after 5 days, reminding them about the proposal for our new CRM software and asking them for their availability next week. So I'll tell you about the prompt, but let's see how this prompt did in Google AI Studio. So this was our prompt, and this is the output that it has given us. It has given us multiple outputs that we can use as an email, and we can send it to our client. So why this? So why this is a great sales prompt? It gives Gemini the context. So this is a follow-up message. It includes the timeline, which is 5 days, and then it includes the topic, which is the CRM software. And in one prompt, we have defined the message's purpose, that is timing, the purpose of the message, and the goal. Now let's look at another example. So here is an example on some educational content. It says that you have to act like a high school science teacher and explain artificial intelligence to a 10th grade student using analogies that they can understand, like a personal assistant for a self-driving car. Here we have used role-playing abilities of the Gemini model, and let's see how it performs on Google AI Studio. So here is the result that it has given us. It acts like a teacher. All right, class, settle down, as you can read it. And then it gives us the analogy that we can use. So it gives us multiple options that we can use here. Now let me explain to you. So let me tell you that why this prompt works. So this is a fantastic educational prompt. We have told Gemini what tone to use. So a tone of a high school science teacher. We have defined our audience, that are 10th grade students, and then we have added analogies to help simplify the concept. So this kind of prompt is perfect for educational content creation. Now let's look at another example. In the third example, we have a prompt for content creation, where we have written a prompt to generate 3 engaging videos hook for a YouTube short about 5 money saving hacks for college students, focusing on quick tips and relatable scenarios. So let's look at how this prompt did in Google AI Studio. So here it has given us the script that we can use, why it works, and we have 3 hooks that we can use for our video. So why this prompt works is because we have defined the platform that where we want to add this video, and the platform is YouTube short. Then we have a theme, 5 money saving hacks, and then we have an audience that are college students, and the tone. And the tone is quick and relatable. So the more you frame your creative prompt like this, the better Gemini will deliver on the prompt. And now let's look at the last and the fourth example. So this prompt is for personal planning, where we want to create a weekly meal plan for a vegetarian family of 4, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with a focus on high protein, budget friendly meals, and we want the answer in a table format. So let's look at how this prompt did in Google AI Studio. So here you can see the output. It has created an output for us for all the 7 days in a table plan for 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So why this is a great prompt is because it gives Gemini everything it needs: dietary preference, the number of people, the meal timings, health focus, and the preferred output format also. So be clear, be specific, and be usable, exactly how good prompts should be. Like I told you before in the video also, Gemini 2.5 Pro is an advanced model, and it takes some time to answer your query. As you can see, 35 seconds, 26 seconds, 24 seconds. So on an average, it takes some seconds to analyze, and then it answers to your query. So if your prompt is not good, it will take time to understand it, it can take some more time to process the prompt, then it will give you an answer. So be precise in your prompt, and then the quality of output that you will receive will be much more clearer and good. Now let's look at some quick tips that we can use for mastering our prompts. So now let's wrap up with a few quick tips to master prompt writing in Google AI Studio. First, define your audience. Let Gemini know who the output is for: a beginner, a student, a professional, etc. Then specify your tone. You can say use a professional tone, make it fun, or write in a friendly voice. After that, break down complexity. If the task feels big, break it into steps. Gemini handles step-by-step inputs very well. And at last, practice makes perfect. Try different formats, play with tones, and build your own prompt styles. Prompting is a skill, and it will get better the more you will use it. Now, to wrap it up, a great prompt in Google AI Studio is clear, focused, and gives just enough context. You don't need to be technical, you just need to guide Gemini the way you'd guide a smart assistant. In the next video, we will explore more of Google AI Studio's feature. I'll see you there.